So Phil has asked me to be part of Hair for All team in a way of showing people exactly what the hair system is like. I've come up to Hair for All to have my hair system fitted. So tomorrow, me and Philip Osmond are heading into Cardiff. Over the moon that Phil have chosen the Bradley Lowry Foundation to become part of the main charity for Hair for All, and I just really appreciate everything that Phil has done. So we're heading to Cardiff tomorrow to go over to the Cardiff City Stadium to a presentation to pick up a cheque for the Bradley Lowry Foundation.
Right, Sean?
Yeah, lovely, yeah. Yeah,
I might get you to swap hands with the camera.
Okay. I'm not too fussy with the hairline is. As long as we get it on. I've done it a few times, I haven't done it perfect, but I thought I'm going to have to take it off. Like, when I've done it, then it looked alright. Because obviously, as you're going along, you learn, don't you?
Yeah, I think with most people that do it from themselves at home, it seems like a really daunting thing to do.
Yeah.
And once you've done it and once you've nailed it, there are times that, you know, if you do it at home, you might come away and think, oh my god, I'm not completely happy with that, I've done this wrong, that wrong, that. And not one person notices.
No, it's because you know yourself, innit?
Yeah.
I fancy you learn by mistakes as well. Like,
absolutely.
I am quick. I think speed comes, like, as you get used to it, then the speed comes along with it.
Yeah.
So where before, it'd probably take me like an hour myself to actually mark it, tape it up and everything. Probably take me probably 30 minutes now.
Mm.
So what do you do that a little bit for over there?
So these 3 dots are my like guidelines. So they're not always like the centre of the hair system, but they are the dots that I know that once I've got that matched up, so once I've put a little bit further away from the guideline and I'm happy that it's touched down in the right place, just before I touch it, I just make sure those dots match up with the system. So, I know that everything is sitting just right. So, I'm going to put the scalp protector on, have a little go at seeing how much paint we've got in the hair. I don't think I'm going to be able to remove much more, but I'll have a go.
Yeah, it's fine.
And then you have extender bond around the perimeter. Yeah, do you have a little bit through the middle?
No, I didn't. No,
just around the perimeter. And what glue do you like at the front, Sean?
Just a standard ghost bond. I did use the one for like extra sort of humidity, you know. Yeah. But I didn't mind the one before that, you know, just the standard one.
Normal ghost bond, like Ghost Bond XL, yeah?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Please.
Head back a little bit for me.
That feels better.
Nice and tight feeling when it first goes on.
That's one thing I'm still learning, is getting that line right to where the glue is. Because what I normally try and do is put less rather than more, so I can go in closer to it after I've applied. Did you get
good thing? Yeah, good thing. I mean, if you're not going to be as good as we are, then go less.
Yeah, less. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. That's the conditioner spray, is it?
Yeah, so I use this to wet the hair even when I cut it. Because I find that the mist, the amount of product that comes out, so the amount of spray is a real nice fine sort of spray. So it doesn't drench the hair completely. Because as with every fresh bond, I do like everybody to kind of keep it from being completely soaking wet for 24 hours.
Oh, I see.
So there's no harm with using leave-in conditioner. So yeah, and I just like the amount that comes out.
Yeah, because on the front, obviously, because it's the glue, we've got to obviously be a bit more gentle with it, on the less.
Yes. So technically what they do say in the manufacturer's instructions is that the extender bond is waterproof straight away.
Yeah.
But I don't think I would trust putting that to the test.
Yeah.
I feel like psychologically, just as better when it's been dry for 24 hours.
Yeah.
And also you still got the glue at the front.
Yeah.
So you will still have to make sure that the glue is dry for 24 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, Sean, so how often do you do your home regrooms?
So it depends really. I suppose, like you said, like like humidity, it depends what you've been doing through the month. But normally it takes me about, probably I do a regroom every three to 4 weeks. I try and leave it 4 weeks, but normally it is around 3 weeks.
Yeah.
I fancy if you leave it on for 4 weeks, it is easier for the like glue and the products to come out of the hair. And
how long does it take you, Sean?
Probably I'd say, like in the beginning it took me well over an hour, but I'd say now when the system's off, it probably takes me about half hour to clean the hair system, and then to actually apply it once the hair system is clean, about 20 minutes, 25 minutes.
That's about an hour and a half.
Hour and a half, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
All in.
And what products do you find really help you?
There's a few products, but the main one I really find helpful is the C22.
Yeah, that's to clean the hair system, right? And
it's like if it breaks everything down. So
yeah.
It's a lot easier. Then obviously the cotton wool balls, they are like ideal because obviously I fancy when you put that on the hair system, the glue is off then really, you know, it's just obviously just rubbing it off then.
Yeah.
Otherwise, yeah, that's it, C22, and I do like the you know, the lace release.
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice for the front of it to come off, because I fancy once you've got the front of it off,
yeah,
it basically peels off then.
Yeah, I mean you always have to be quite careful with it, but they are the two really key products, I think. And obviously you do your home maintenance, but you still pop in to see us at Hair for All, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you about once every 2 months you pop in to see us?
Probably once every 2 months, yeah.
Yeah, and so this is all, so you popped in today, because you've got a big day tomorrow, so how about, what's that about? Tell the camera a little bit about that.
Yeah, so I was speaking to Phil about, he was asking me what I was doing, how I get on with things and everything, and I was just saying that I do a lot now for the charity, the Bradley Lowry Foundation.
Okay.
Can't get up sometimes. And then basically, yeah, so Phil is coming with me tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm over the moon you've taken on the Bradley Lowry Foundation to be one of the main sort of, I think it's the only one actually, so all the funds they receive now will go directly to the Bradley Lowry Foundation. And then we were going over to the City Stadium, Cardiff City Stadium, for the Bradley Lowry Foundation to pick up a cheque, so it's like a presentation. So looking forward to that. And over to Wales Online then. Wow. A bit of an interview over there.
Hey, hold on a second, I'm filming. We're just off to the Bradley charity. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look.
Don't look at me now.
Right, so we're going for, this is it. We're coming to the Bluebirds, Cardiff City ground. And this is it, we arrive now. And I'll keep you updated with a few videos. All for a good cause. All for a good charity. What's? Shout out the charity.
Yeah, so the Bradley Lowry Foundation.
At Hair for All now, it's going to be a representative. So we're in Cardiff City at the moment. It looks fantastic.
And then you look around now, then.
So the only selfie you're going to get.
Yeah. I'm on Twitter as well.
Just ignore me. Everyone ignores me. No, I'm not. Do I look like a man that should have a pen? Shame on. Shame on me. Well, as we can see, Sean's got the check. We've been to Cardiff City Football Club and got presented this check for the Bradley Lowry Foundation, and Sean's looking good, and he's off now to Wales Online to do an interview regarding last year's
Davina McCall this time next year. Yeah,
this
so
time.
A bit of a catch up with Wales Online. So.
And he's going for an interview now, so we'll just present this check because we are proudly ambassadors. Is that the right word for?
Yeah, so for the Bradley Lowry Foundation. Yeah, so yeah, more to come.
Don't go shy on me, Sean.
I'm not going to shy. Stuck for words then, sometimes.
How can you be stuck for words?
I don't know.
Anyway, he's doing a fantastic job, and I'll shake your hand just to prove I'm here.
Cheers,
nice one, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
Well done.